Alternative marketing. Traditional mass media faces many challenges, and although advertisers are not ready to completely abandon mass media, they're looking for alternative ways to reach the consumers. Buzz marketing, or word-of-mouth marketing, has become one of the fastest growing areas of alternative marketing. It emphasizes consumers passing along information about a product. Because it is word-of-mouth marketing from an individual, it has a higher level of credibility. Guerrilla marketing includes interacting with consumers, personal communications, and excitement that will spread to others. The goal of guerrilla marketing is to create excitement and to generate buzz. It's often connected with grassroots efforts to launch a brand or to market a product. Lifestyle marketing involves identifying marketing methods associated with the hobbies, entertainment, and lives of the target market. And it can be associated with the venues of where a target market likes to be entertained. So, for example, contacting consumers at places such as farmers markets, bluegrass festivals, citywide garage sales, flea markets, and craft shows. Experimental marketing. Its basic premise is to increase the experience of direct marketing through an interactive connection. So rather than just pass out samples, the idea is to make it an experience that the consumer will remember. Nickelodeon, for example, used experimental marketing with its Slime Across America tour, where 30,000 kids were exposed to the exhibit and 20 million television impressions resulted. Product placement. These are designed to make an impression on people without looking like advertising. Product placement was really made popular in the movie E.T. when Reese's Pieces were used to lure E.T. out of hiding. Branded entertainment. This integrates entertainment and advertising by embedding the brand into the storyline of the movie, TV show, or other entertainment medium. We've seen this use increase sharply with the rise of television reality shows, and it's now also found in novels, plays, songs, movies. Developing alternative marketing programs requires creativity and imagination. Marketers are looking for new places where the consumer's path intersects with a brand's presence, and we want to reach the consumers in unexpected ways or in everyday life situations that resonate with the consumers, where there's less competition for attention. Success is based on buzz, word-of-mouth communications, and people being receptive to the message. Another approach to reaching consumers and breaking through ad clutter is to use some type of alternative media. For example, video games has really increased its presence in the marketing arena. An example of that would be in a racing game, having a billboard for Goodyear tires, or a vending machine in a war game, or a Burger King restaurant in a society building game. Approximately 60% of all purchase decisions are made inside retail stores. In a survey of consumers, 52% said that in-store signage, displays, or point-of-purchase displays influenced their clothing purchase decision. Yet, the funds allocated to in-store marketing efforts are a very small part of the marketing budgets. The most engaging forms of advertising are end-of-aisle displays and merchandise displays. The least engaging, ceiling banners and overhead mobiles. So using color, light, sound, taste, and smell increases engagement. Motion also engages customers. And it could be video screens, television monitors, or even digital signage. For point-of-purchase displays, location is key. It's the last chance to reach a potential buyer. Point-of-purchase displays have proven to be effective for increasing sales because most decisions are made in the store. The average increase in sales for a point of purchase is 9%. Only about half of the displays actually impact sales, but for those half, the boost is around 20%. And currently, manufacturers are spending about $17 billion a year on point of purchase displays. Brand communities are the ultimate in brand loyalty and brand devotion. Jeep, Apple, Harley-Davidson, these are 3 brands that have really developed strong brand communities. And people join brand community for several reasons. They offer a symbolic meaning and provide for interaction between the brand, consumers, and companies that participate. People join because they have shared values and experiences. And brand communities cannot be created by brands or companies, but have to be customer driven. And brands can enhance the community and provide a richer brand community experience. In addition to international markets, companies should consider alternative marketing to U.S. minorities. Alternative marketing is growing in other countries. For example, in Japan, Pepsi and Starbucks combined efforts to create the movie A Sunny Day that was tailored for Shanghai's subway system. Camp Jeep and other Jeep events are held in China, very similar to the ones in the U.S. So ad clutter, it's a growing global problem. It's not just a U.S. problem. And as a result, alternative programs are growing globally. And new alternative programs are being created that are unique to other regions and countries.